Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping app on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the sign in as well as the create an account button. Just tap on the sign in button if you already have an account with Amazon. Now you may have the option of using a passkey, and you can do this by tapping on the available option. Otherwise, you can just enter your credentials in order to log in. Type in your email address or your phone number within the email or phone box and then tap on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your password that you have set up while signing up for your account and then tap on the sign in button. Once you tap on this, you will be logged in to your existing account on Amazon shopping right away. And you will now immediately be able to look for the various items and start shopping right now. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Amazon shopping. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.